Let's look at the problem. X squared plus 2xy plus y equal to 34. X, y belong to integer. Find the value of x and y. So we have only one equation, and we have two variables. That means we may have many pair of results. First, look at these equations. We could easily to get a perfect square if we add y squared. Since we added y squares, we need to minus y squares to keep the equation the same. And then we have x plus y squares minus y squared minus y equal to 34. And then we could make another perfect square here. So it's x plus y squared minus y squared minus y plus 1/4. Since we have already minus 1/4 at the left side, we should minus 1/4 at the right side. And then we have x plus y squared minus y minus 1/2 squared equal to this. So the left side is the square difference. We could have x plus y minus y minus 1/2 times x plus y plus y minus 1/2. I didn't do anything magic. So let's simplify it. X, y cancelled. Minus 1/2. No, plus. Minus minus plus. Okay. X plus 2y minus 1/2. So to remove the fraction, we need to times 2 here, times 2 here. Since we times 4 at the left side, we need to times 4 at the right side. We have 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 33 times 4 plus 3. It's 135. Okay, perfect. Now we need to do factorization of 135. If we divide it by 1, we have 135. If we divide it by 3, we have 45. And by 3 again, we have 15. And by 3 again, we have 5. So, if 2x plus 1 equal to 1, 2x plus 4y minus 1 must equal to 135. Right? So let's write it here. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 4y minus 1. So if it is 1, it should be 135. Of course, if it is 135, it should be 1 here. Okay. And then look at it again. If 2x plus 1 equal to 3, then this part should be equal to 45. So if it's 3, it should be 45. same. If it is 45, it should be 3. And if 2x plus 1 equal to 9, then this part should be equal to 15. So if it is 9, it should be 15. And then 15, 9. Okay. If 2x plus 1 equal to 27, this part should be equal to 5. So it is, if it is 27, 5, 5, 27. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair. However, it is not the all, because 2x plus 1 could be minus 1, and then this part should be minus 135. So if it is minus 1, is minus 135. If it is by minus 135, and then it is minus 1. So we could add negative on both sides for all. Minus 9, minus 15, minus 15, minus 9. Minus 27, minus 5, minus 5, minus 27. So we have another 8 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on total, we have 16 pairs to get the product of 135. Each pair we could have 1x and 1y. So when 2x plus 1 equal to 1, we could have x equal to 0. And then if x to 0 is 0, then 4y minus 1 equal to 135. 4y equal to 136. So y equal to 34. 34 times 4, it's 136. Okay. We could calculate all the results, and then we get all the x and y. So I have already done it for you. So it's 67 minus 33, 1, 11. 22 minus 10, 4, 2. 7 minus 1, 13 minus 4, 2, 6, minus 1, minus 33, minus 68, 34, minus 2, minus 10, 23, minus 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, 2, minus 14, 5, minus 3, minus 5. So we have 16 pair of the results. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.